Well, today, first of all, I was planning to do the grab dash, but that's gonna take too much time. So we're gonna do some other. Some of you guys said to do after images, so we're gonna do after images. We're also gonna do shoulder bashing and other stuff if we have time. Okay, I think after images will be pretty cool. Probably will. Okay, so first of all, let's go to the mock run server script. Actually, let's go into starter character scripts. Insert a server script this time. It's non-server script storage. Name this one Afterimage. Okay. Script.parent. First of all, let's see. Local Afterimage equals script.parent. And I'm gonna clone it. Afterimage.workspace. Afterimage.parent. Go workspace. Let's that part up. Let's also wait until the character actually loads in. So game.players get player character. Actually, we can just do this. Wait till script.parent. Okay. We're gonna do this, and now we're going to first we're gonna anchor after image.humanoid group part dot anchored equals true, and then we're going to do after image dot head dot face dot destroy, not dot. So you won't see the face in the after image. For I, V, and I pairs. Also, I got better at scripting, I think, because I'm actually not a professional, so I can learn stuff. I actually have to do a lot of research on just doing after images, because I'm also a learner. For after image, get children, do if V is a part or V is a. This basically just checks if it's a part of the body. It's not like other stuff. Then v.transparency is 0.5, and then v dot brick color equals brick color, a new for screen. V dot. We're also going to do else v destroy. We're going to destroy everything that's not part of limb because we don't need it. I think that's probably good. Now, task dot while task dot wait one do. First of all, if not. If script.parent humanoid health less or equal to 0, then we return in. We don't want it to happen when you're dead. If script.parent get attribute mach, if it's more or equal to 2, if it's less than 2, then return in. We don't want it to be happening when you're running a mock run. So if it is happening, we're actually going to, if this is happening, or if this is happening, then after image.parent equals game to replicated storage. Okay. Now for I, V, and I pairs, after image get descendants do V is a loader 360. I don't know a lot about these, but they're basically like joints or something. I don't know. Someone can explain to me later. And then v.transform goes script.parent find first child v.name true. dot transform. This basically just makes the limb look like what's looking like an animation. Also, let's go here and do else after image.parent equals workspace. Okay, transform. Oh, also this turn can collide to false. That can collide is false. You don't want it to collide with our player. Also, someone said I should test out my tutorials to show you guys. So I am doing that, and it does not work. So index nil with parents, and oh, we'll probably have to do this. Let's go back to our Afterimage script, and we're gonna set script.parent to archivable equals true. Now let's test this. Okay, guys, let's change some things. First of all, put this above this. Also put this destroys the body colors. And this. And also I removed one line of this. Also added this. It destroys any like t-shirts or like other decals you might have on your character. And also added this to delete the hip hop. I changed a lot of things from before the cut. It was because I was trying to figure the bug out. First of all, this thing is completely different. So remember the scripts are in the PASTEBIN, so take a moment to look at this. Okay, so one thing I noticed is I think we might have to do the after images on the client or it'll be bad, so let's do that right now. First of all, we are going to we're gonna go to replicate storage and add another new event. Remote event. This one is called after image. And after image, we're gonna copy this. We're gonna copy this, and then we're gonna delete this. And starter player scripts. We're gonna add a local script. This one's gonna be called a replicator. Pretty cool name. Okay, now we're gonna try to go here. We're gonna also make after image dot parent equals replicated storage. Or you might want to delete this too. Actually, maybe we won't. But anyways, on the replicator, we are going to do game.replicate storage, wait for child, after image on client event connect, function color, and we're gonna put this inside of here, color and player, and actually just name this character. Okay, character. I'm gonna change this to character too. Character, and this one won't be script.parent. I should just this we can character. We can also remove. We can also remove this. Actually, let's just do character. This one is also a character. And after image is character. Okay, let's see here. Oh, let's also name another one called P. Equals P. If P. This one is also P. This one is gonna be P. Now we're gonna go back to our mock input actually, and we're going to do while test.wait1 do if script.parent wait for child mach is more equal to 2, then game.replicate storage wait for child after image fire. I'm going to do fire server. After image, we're going to do game.replicate storage wait for child. After image on server event connect function player game.replicate storage wait for child. After image fire all clients. We're gonna fire lime green, and we're gonna fire the player.character. Okay, now I think if we go back to replicator, which I don't know where that is. Yeah, it's over here. It's over here. We're going to put the name here. BigColor.color. Okay guys, so for player, we're actually gonna have to fire something else too. For the player.character, and we're gonna fire the after image player. If we go back to mach input, I also added you typed it in wrong. I put wait for child specifically get attribute guys in here. Oh yeah, and also change this screen to a lowercase screen. And we're going to go to mach input, we can put this to 0.1. I think that sounds more accurate. Oh yeah, and also do v.torso.canCollide equals false inside of after image. Remember, every single code is inside the PASTEBIN, so you don't have to worry if you miss anything. You're actually gonna put that inside of here. Thing that we just added, I put it inside of here instead. Inside replicator. Okay, now guys, go to mach input. In mach input, and we're gonna go here, right here. If part and not equals okay, and part.parent not equals after image. Wait, not after image. We're gonna just do wait a second, I don't think we need this. We can just go inside of after image. It should be inside of replicator, and we can make v.can query equals false, and v.can touch equals false. Okay, now guys, go to replicator, and we're gonna put inside. We're gonna put inside of here. We're gonna do task.delay. Let's see, 1 second function. If character, well, not character, my bad. Peak and attribute mach less than 2, then this will happen. Okay, so you know how in Pizza Tower some of your some of the after images are red instead of green, so we're gonna go back into mach input. And also, by the way, I'm gonna make this very customizable, so if you want to add an after image to super jump, it's really easy to do that. I'll show you how to customize it soon, so if you actually watch the video. Okay, fire server, gonna fire server color now. Let's define color. Local color goes lime green. Okay. Now we're gonna do if color equals lime green, then color equals really red. Oh, we don't need that. Else, color equals lime green. Okay, now if we test this out, it should alternate between red and green as colors. Oh, it didn't. Because I forgot to add something. Go to Afterimage, and we're going to change this to color. Another color thing over here. Now, if it doesn't work, something is wrong with me. Because it probably will work. I'm going to say that. Oh, okay. Okay, gotcha. Okay. This works. It looks a little festive colors. I'm actually have to customize it. Like if I wanted it to be blue, I'm gonna put in super jump. Okie dokie. If script.parent. If super jump. Then color equals. I gotta see something first. Color.new blue. See, this is baby blue. Okay, baby blue. Then it will fire the server to color, and it will be blue. So we're also going to do shoulder bashing. So that didn't work. Oh, okay, I see. I see, go to replicator, and we are actually going to, we're going to, this, or, and let's actually get rid of this. Let's just do if false. Okay, we're gonna delete this too, and we can just put A inside. Okay, let's also make this 0.5. You can make the Afterimages go faster by changing this number. So if super jump and not super jump track is playing, so there's not super jump. Oops. Charge up track. Okay, and this should work. And I also want to put this in another while task. Okay, so instead of mock input, you're gonna have this instead. This will make stuff fire faster. I'm gonna do while task.wait 0.01 for the super jump, because you move fast in the super jump. And I'm gonna put it here. Let's make the shoulder bash now. So you're gonna have to make an animation. This animation is going to be just a shoulder bash. Also the animation is going to be I'm gonna make it where your shoulder actually grows bigger. So I'm making a very simple shoulder bash, so don't judge me here. Your shoulder actually will grow bigger. So let's do this. Okay. Make sure you have more than one keyframe, it probably won't work. So mine is not the most advanced thing, but I guess it gets the job done. Now let's put the animation priority action 4, and let's publish it. Make sure it's looped. Okay. I'm gonna go into mach inputs, and now we're gonna add a move. Animation. This one's gonna be called shoulder bash. Outside of here, let's define the animation first. So, local shoulder bash track, the script parent humanoid load animation script wait for child not super jump, shoulder bash. Okay, and if you already set it to for action 4 in this loop, you don't have to do anything else. Okay, now let's go ahead and go inside the input begin, and if keycode equals enum.keycode.x, because that's going to be the future grab attack, and super jump track is playing, then we're going to fire a move fire server shoulder bash, and super jump equals false, and super jump track stop, and shoulder bash track play. And now we're going to do task spawn. Gonna function repeat wait until script apparent wait for child humanoid dot get state equals enum.humanoid state type that banded, and then after that we're just gonna stop shoulder bash. Stop. Now inside of moves, I don't think so I have that open, so inside of it's inside particle, my bad. So we're gonna do if move equals shoulder bash, then first of all, okay, I was working on a bug for a long time. So first of all, it's renamed Afterimage. Name equals just Afterimage. Okay. Now I changed a lot of stuff, so I don't know if I can actually explain everything. So you might have to look at the PASTEBIN. Anyways, for here, for the shoulder bash, we have this very, we have this, it's pretty long. It will be in the PASTEBIN. It's pretty long though. So yeah, that basically just actually like cancels the shoulder bash stuff. Now mach input has a lot of stuff. Okay, so you might want to look in. I'm going to only explain the important parts, but you probably have to use the PASTEBIN. First of all, this is the code to do the super jump. You see, we first detect if there's a floor below us. We do super jump. The shoulder bash. My bad. We do all of this. Yeah, that basically just is the input for shoulder bash. Make sure you did your animation too, or it won't work. Also here, we put shoulder bash equals false. Over here is also a shoulder bash equals false and a not shoulder bash. Now I think if we go down here, we can see this. For this, I also want to do. It will. And over here. Oh, also, I'm pretty sure you have. If you want the story proper to check the placement. The reason why I couldn't actually show everything is because I stopped recording to figure out how to do this because I'm not perfect. And I forgot to record again, and I forgot a lot of stuff I did. I also over here, I did this so that you can't see the effects if you're climbing. Now let's actually make your shoulder big. Okay, now depending on which shoulder you're using, you're gonna have to customize it. So, okay, so I added these, and I changed this to 2. First of all, this is pretty long. We're gonna have to use the PASTEBIN again. So let's also make it where you can't spam the shoulder bash. So let's go to shoulder bash one. And not shoulder bash. Okay. Now if we test this, it might work. Also remember, if you're doing R6, you have to. There's no shoulder, it's arm. By the way. Oh, I got an error because I didn't do something correct. Well, I added the extra parentheses. Well, that won't be in a PASTEBIN, I guess. Okay. Oh. Okay, well, there's something else that's not good. Oh, I see. Oh, I see what's wrong. We did change this to name. Oops. That's not. That was not intended. Okay, now let's see if it works. Also changed this line, and I did the wrong arm. So make sure it's the correct arm. Mine used to be left arm. I changed mine to right arm. Oh, and it actually does. Your arm does grow bigger. Oh, remember, you can make it grow even more bigger if you want. I'm gonna make my grow even more bigger. That is not big enough. I'm gonna change this. You guys can make it small if you guys want. I want my shoulder to be really big. So remember what I just did. You can change the size of your shoulder. If it's too big, and it probably will be. That's the end of today's tutorial. I'm sorry. That's the end of today's tutorial. I'm sorry I didn't get to do grab dash. I was actually planning on doing it, but I didn't have enough time. You know, grab dash is very complicated because you have to code a lot of things in it, and you have to code enemies that you can get grabbed by. So I promise I'm gonna try my best for next week's tutorial to be the grab dash. So yeah.